it's you. All right, you salty little cocks. New product time today. Fun stuff. What are we going to be talking about? Well, you know, many people, there's a company called Dorman, and Dorman makes a lot of parts for a lot of cars. And a lot of people poo-poo Dorman because it is budget stuff. But Dorman comes to the rescue on a lot of shit, and this is a good example of why you will enjoy what I have for you today. This is a problem solver and a good thing. So this is one of your heater core supply hoses or return hose. This is actually the return hose, if I'm not mistaken. I forget, I get them confused. Big deal. There's a metal pipe, this is it, that runs around the rear of your engine. There's another one similar that runs around the front of your engine. One takes hot coolant, the hot juices of love, from the engine to the heater core, and the other one returns the hot juices of love back to the water radiator eventually through the coolant bottle. You know, you understand how these things work. All right, as you can see, this is a steel hose, and it is nasty, right? And it takes about 7 or 8 years for this to happen, but once it goes, you might be able to patch it, or you might be able to do something, but she's a goner. The problem is these hoses from Chrysler have only been available from Chrysler up till now, and even more importantly, the rubber ends that attach these hoses to things have never been available anywhere. You wanted the one rubber hose that goes up to your heater core because you're split or whatever, you had to buy this whole thing. And these things were egregiously priced. I'm gonna put on your screen now what the hoses look like from Chrysler, and on that screen will be what I pay and what you pay. The retail is what's important. And those prices were obviously less if you order them online, you find them somewhere, but whatever. But all that has changed. And there's a new world in which we live in. And that world looks like this. This is Dorman's 626724. Comes like that. I'm gonna open it because I'm excitable. I'm like a kid at Christmas. I'm like a drunk with a fresh bottle. I'm like your mom with my... I'm kidding, I would never say that. Comes in a decorator plastic bag, as one would expect. And comes with a few improvements, because I want to live in a world of improvements. One major improvement would be if these were made of aluminum so they wouldn't rust. They're still steel, but I'm not a manufacturer, so I don't know what the reasons are. But nonetheless, you wouldn't want to pay $200 just for this or these small bits. That's the bleeder screw that sticks out of your firewall, and this piece is now aluminum instead of plastic. That's nice. That's an improvement. Also appears to come with all these constant tension clamps that I prefer. This style of clamp versus the worm clamp is actually, doesn't feel like it, but it is superior, because the hotter this gets, the tighter the clamp goes, and they just generally don't fail as clamps. Whereas worm clamps loosen over time when they heat cycle and blah, blah, blah. But as you can see, that's your thing, and it even comes with this. I mean, imagine any of these 3 rubber hoses or this little fitting, you had to pay hundreds of dollars because you just needed the hose. You would end up finding some generic hose and improvising, but this hose is some kind of goofy metric size that, I don't know, I have hard to find. Anyway, that's one. Let's, because it's Christmas, let's open up the other one. You know you love it. I generally hate YouTube conventions like opening every video with "What's up, guys?" and unboxing and reacts and so on and so forth. But I am both unboxing and reacting at this exact moment, because these just came at the end of last week. This other one, which is the one that goes around the rear. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is the one that goes around the front. I believe this is called the heater return hose. And this is the one that goes around the rear, and it's called the heater supply hose. This little appendix or winky or whatever it was, was the first spot that would rust because it's the thinnest piece. But this hose would attach to one side of your bottle, and if you've done this, you would get this. So this stuff is labeled with the part number 626711, and it is made in China. But you know, what do you want? You want to go broke? You want made in America, I make you go broke. Very nice. Very happy with this. Worm clamps all around. This appears to be quite good quality hose, molded for your pleasure. Very happy. So I will be, basically, anytime I suspect either of these hoses to have any rust on them, they're going to get these. I'm not paid by Dorman, but they did give me these two free in the interest of full disclosure, so I could try them and give them feedback. My only feedback is at some point in the future, it'd be great if those could be made out of aluminum, because then the problem would be eliminated. But then I suppose Dorman would sell less replacement parts. I'm a capitalist. Either way, it's less than, half the price or whatever of the OEM. Have we learned anything? I think you have. I have. Those are your two new Dorman heater hose solution type products, and available everywhere pretty much, because Dorman is quite ubiquitous, and if a outlet carries one Dorman part, they generally carry them all. I have found it at Summit Race. Well, you probably saw Summit, but you can find them at AutoZone and all that. You can order them from Amazon quite cheaply, and to the best of my knowledge, none of those are counterfeit yet. Maybe they'll be counterfeit in the future. Love you. See you on Wednesday with my another Just the Tip. I have very interesting Just the Tips coming up. All right, carry on. Love you. Bye. He's a goddamn law.